If you're looking for a spectacular ranch home in Glenview, prepare to be amazed. Burr Oak Drive, just off of Sunset Ridge in East Glenview, is known for its large lot sizes,
with most homes in the neighborhood on 1 acre lot.
This upscale neighborhood is named after the native bur oak trees. Features homes built in classical architectural style, such as colonial, Tudor, and craftsman. Welcome to 2021 Burr Oak Drive in Glenview.
This all-brick ranch is anything but typical. This property is situated on 1 acre lot.
Not only one, but two private patios.
A 3-car garage and circular driveway complete the home.
This home offers a peaceful suburban setting with easy access to city amenities. As you step inside, you'll immediately notice these soaring ceilings that create a sense of spaciousness and grandeur throughout the home.
This massive great room is over 650 square feet with these huge stunning windows, offering not only tons of natural light, but also spectacular views.
Upon entering the spacious kitchen, you'll notice all this ample counter space, but more of these cathedral ceilings that flood the room with natural light.
Moving on, we explore the main level primary suite.
Situated in a separate wing, there are 3 bedrooms and 2 additional bathrooms, ensuring extra privacy for family and guests.
Another truly unique feature is this large loft with even more skylights.
And check out this view. And the lower level is designed for entertaining.
Reach out to set up a private showing.
And be sure to like and subscribe for more fabulous home tours.